Yo guys, I'm HP and this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is guitar secrets, personal expression and storytelling. Now, what is behind this title or this topic? It's probably the most important thing in music when it comes to personal expression, creativity, emotions, colors, whatever you want to express. And it's one of those lessons when I have live students here, which is really quite a turning point in the learning process, because everybody wants to learn guitar. Everybody has a vision what music shall be, or to express emotions or whatever, and it often gets to the point where a lot of people learn licks, and cannot put it into a personal expression or into emotions, or are not able to tell a story. The truth is, you're taking the topic from the wrong side. If you want to express music, you really have to train this. Well, from my experience, you don't need to believe me, of course, but from my experience, my teacher, when I was studying music, always said you have to start to live in the tone. What does that mean, live in the tone? That means sit there, have your guitar, listen to just one tone. Try to shape it. Try to give it a personal expression. The vibrator is a very important tool for that, because with the vibrator it's like a voice, when you talk, when you go to a theater or to a movie, the tone of the voice makes the drama of the character or of the dialogue. So try to think the guitar as kind of a voice. Here is a more dramatic vibrator. And stuff like that you're able to shift between the different types of emotions, or I often use colors in the blue, Farbmusik, to give a tone and expression and an emotional impact. And you can train that in a way that you can just... I learned that from art. Really good art has one trick behind it. It always has polarities. Meaning, when something is like extremely bright, you have to make it extremely bright, you have to also see the extremely dark. So if you want to have polarities in music, one thing will be dynamics. Try to give a tone the minimum volume or minimum drama if you want. Learn how you need to attack the string, or which pickup you shall use for that, which vibrato. Go from very low to very intense. Let's do that. Also with changing the pickup, okay? I was starting to really soft. And go back. Just with one tone. That's what I mean, or what my teacher meant with live in the tone. It took me a few years to understand that, but that's how I'm trying to explain to you guys. Now try to put this concept in any type of tune. Let's take this one here. Just one note. See how you can just, by the way, Dr. Pink is not in tune. I didn't, holy crap. That was really bad. That one was really bad, the G string. Holy crap. Yeah, but that can happen. Okay. That's a way to start to tell stories just with one note, and then you try to expand it to more notes and try to give it a storyline. You're from also in waves, think in waves. Now it's better, it's now in tune. And then when you build up a melody, try to not only build up the melody upon the melody, but also inside the dramaturgy of the tone you're creating. And that's what is the pure magic. And then you probably notice that you don't need to play licks. You don't need to play so many notes. You just try to train your personal expression and your storytelling. That's the main thing. And then you could also start a work. I was just now using one tone. Let me see. Let's take it. Okay, this one be more dramatic, so we start slow, and then we give it more drama and go back to soft. What I already told you, drama with polarities. Low level, high level. Slow, fast. These are also polarities, okay? Let's do this. And I can tell that these were not licks. I was just trying to tell a story and following the flow of the emotions and following the flow of the tone. That's a different approach than try to play licks. And anybody can do this, even if you're a beginner. You can just start to listen to how your guitar sounds to you, also when you play a chord. A minor. F. Let's do A minor, F and G. Peaceful, dark blue. Listen to how the tone develops, how your guitar reacts to what you're doing on the fretboard. That's the main thing, how you start connecting with the guitar and not just noodling around. And this is also technical exercise. It doesn't look so fancy, you know, like all this stuff, but it's probably more satisfying because this helps you to get the exact expression you just want in a certain moment. That's in fact something I personally am working on since many years, and I always find new ways of more expression, also the way I bend the guitar. See, I will shape the tone even with chords. I'm looking for polarities, soft approach, extreme approach. Same chord, different story. And that will become part of your personal expression, the way you can just pull out this and just put one picture or one color. As I said, I'm playing colors mostly. Put one color after each other and just if Dr. Pink is tuned right. Yeah. And that's something what I want to give you to think about. And I've seen a lot of students here in the teaching room. Here the students normally sit over here, who are really, that was always, no matter which level, that was always a turning point in their personal expression. and in their also in their satisfaction of what they were able to play. And that's an important part as well, because motivation and satisfaction pulls you to the next level. And if you always think, I have to play fast, I have to play fast, I have to play fast, I have to play this lick, you're not living in the music, you're living in the future. You have to stay in the moment, live in the tone. That's what I said. It took me years to understand what my teacher said when I was studying music. Probably also would take you a few years, I don't know, but I try to explain to you guys. Try to live in the tone and enjoy the tone. And then the more you can do that, the more complex stories you can tell, the more you can shift around in the colors, in the emotions. But you have to start somewhere. Just try to listen to one note and what it means to you. And that's the key for everything. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, what your personal experience is, or you can also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy to leave me more extended comments. There I have more time to really answer to everything. However, I'm really curious how you like this mindset when it comes to guitar playing. I didn't really talk too much about this in the past, but that's, for me personally, it's the main thing. And I just want to, and I saw with all the students here, there was always a major shift in their personal expression, and I just want to share and let you try to find your personal expression and your personal storytelling on guitar. See you guys.